Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to film the week of the 5th of October to the 12th of October 2020, and it's a great week. So these are the full boxes, and to be honest, I don't know if this kit is a match to these full boxes, but I got it on a grab bag, so we're gonna go with it. So these are the full boxes. This is the washi page with the date covers, and the last page is just the icons, another full box, and a strip of little dots here that I have no idea what they are for, but that's what we're gonna work with. And of course I'm going to use a bunch of my own stickers in gold foil. So let's get to it. It's funny how it works. I usually set up my kits like in December, so on the Christmas break I get all of my albums and I start choosing all of the kits that I'm gonna use in the following year. So in 2019 that's what I did. I got all of my kits and started choosing my kits for 2020. And the kit that I chose for this week, it was with no rhyme or purpose. It was just one of the kits that was on my anytime folder. So I have a kit that is not seasonal. If I have a kit that is not seasonal, I put it on the anytime folder. If it's not a celebration, it goes to the anytime folder, so I can use it, you know, at any time, at any specific week that doesn't have a celebration, a birthday or New Year's or stuff like that. And I chose this one from my folder, and it's great because it has pretty much all of the elements that I needed this week, in the sense that all the full boxes match something that I did this week, which is pretty cool. So I'm really happy with these not on purpose occurrence. So it was really not on purpose at all, but it matched, and you know, life finds a way. It's not Jurassic Park, but life finds a way. Anyway, I have a few things that I want to ask you guys before I go into the specifics of the week, but let me talk about this sidebar. So I used the washi that came on the kit, as well as the Simply Gilded sugar icing in pink and gold, just to give a little pizzazz to it, and I think it looks really nice with the gray background of the washi from the kit. So one of the things I want to ask you guys is, I'm thinking about changing my scheduling, my uploading schedule. So I upload a haul every Wednesday, and I upload Plan With Me on Saturdays, and I'm talking about Australian times. So that should be Tuesday and Friday to Americans. If you're an American watching me, thank you so much, that's really cool. But what I'm thinking is changing my Plans With Me to either Fridays my time, which would be Thursday for Americans, or maybe actually swapping the hauls and the Plan With Me, because I feel that my hauls are quicker to edit, and if I catch up on my schedule on Plan With Me, so I'm 1 week behind in the sense of uploading. I did film, I just didn't upload. So if I'm 1 week behind, that means that if I catch up, that means that I'll actually have time to film on the weekend and upload on the Wednesday, instead of filming on the weekend and uploading on that same on the Sunday, for example. I don't think I can do that. But then again, I'm still going to be behind. It's not going to be, you know, oh, I'm uploading the week that I just finished, or the week that I'm at, but I'm still going to be uploading, I think, in a more timely manner instead of 1 week behind, because I'm definitely a whole week behind. As you can see, Monday was the 5th, and I'm uploading this pretty much on the 17th. So that is a whole week behind, and I'm not really happy with that. So if I do an extra upload of a video, I'm probably gonna be able to do let's say film on the 17th and upload on the 21st. So that's not a big gap, but I really wanted to ask what you guys think, because you are my audience, so you are important, your opinion matters, and I would love to know what you think in the comments down below. If I don't get any comments, that's okay. That's okay if I don't get any comments. I'll just go ahead and do it, because I think that would be best for the channel. But what do I know? So if you don't think that's a good idea, please let me know. Hopefully you're watching this and not just skipping ahead, or anyway, please let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Should I do this? Should I upload Plan With Me's every Wednesdays, or should I just keep the upload schedule as it is? Anyway, that is my main question for you guys this week. I would love to hear your opinions. So the week of the 5th was a very good week. It ended in such a high note, I have to say. I did my sidebar. I put down all of my date covers as well as my full boxes, and I actually wrote down the dates instead of putting stickers on it, because I was just too lazy. And I'm using Simply Gilded perforated bowline to mark down, to using it as headers, because I think that looks pretty nice with the kit. But the week started with, you know, normal Monday, a normal Monday in the sense that it was Monday, but it was a lovely long weekend for me, and that was really good. I really needed that extra day on that Monday, so it was my day off. I marked it down with a cute sleepy pillow. So I had a day off, I slept in, and I did a lot of things for YouTube as well as Instagram. So I filmed a Plan With Me. I filmed a haul as well. I had a few things that arrived, and I wanted to put that out there. I also had a little time for myself to check Skillshare. I just wanted to see what was available at Skillshare. I'm not sure I'm looking at the right places, but it's not my favorite thing at the moment. So I really need to have a bit more time with it to form an actual opinion. Then I worked on the office. I just cleaned a little bit and packed a few things, and I put an emoji to mark that I just needed to unplug my mind. Tuesday was, you know, the usual work from home. The laptop is from Planet Like a Pro, and on the Tuesday I got some happy mail, which was really good. I also did some small grocery shopping, and when I say small, I mean I didn't buy a lot of things. I just grabbed, you know, a few little things that I needed for the evening. I did clean my litter trays, and I did something weird on this day, on this spread, because I put the shopping trolley and the trays on the same side, and I usually try to alternate them. I don't know what was happening there. I put down a little box from the kit to mark down that I needed to pack some D-stashes, and I also did some workout because I'm working out at home now. So what I'm doing is I selected 5 videos of 30 minutes workout on YouTube. I saved them, and I do one of them in a rotation for 5 weeks, 5 days a week. So that was really nice, and I'm feeling really good about it. Wednesday, again, work from home. I put down a washi strip with a little camera from the kit to mark down that I wanted to upload my haul. That usually goes on Wednesdays. I also took some pictures for Instagram, so I used a Planning Like a Pro telephone, or mobile. Telephone is so old. My age is showing. It was also Call Mom Day, and I used a phone icon from the kit, and it was also Be Night. Again, I used an icon from the kit. On Thursday, I worked from home as usual, and I put down, oh, that's right, Thursday the 8th was the day where my my US box delivery arrived. So I usually ship things for me from America. I consolidate all the packages and ship it to me once a month. So that's why I'm using a half box and the Happy Mail icon to mark down that my US box was delivered. So it was a different Happy Mail. It was a Christmas in July kind of Happy Mail, or Christmas in October Happy Mail. I also used another laptop from Planning Like a Pro to mark down that I wanted to edit a plan with me and do a voiceover. And the fun thing is that I had a very short day at work that day. It wasn't short, but it was really quick. It felt like it went really quick, and I had a lot of, and I've managed to do a lot of things on my afternoon, evening. I cleaned the litter trays, and I also paid insurance bill. I marked that with a girl from Planning Like a Pro. Friday was Friday, and I marked it with a script from Van Sticky. Worked from home. Had another batch of Happy Mail, and I also packed more de-stash that I've done. I had a goal in 2020, which was get rid of one full box of items that I wanted to de-stash, and I kept never de-stashing, so I waited until the box was completely full, and throughout the year I am slowly de-stashing them. And I have to say that I'm down to like the bottom of the box now, and it's a good thing. So now it's just the washi that I need to de-stash. I know I'm de-stashing washi. It's unheard of. But I did pack the de-stashes. I did clean my dishes and did some tidy up on Friday evening. As usual, once I'm done with work, that's what I do. I just get cleaning for some reason. I did upload a plan with me, my previous plan with me, and I marked it with an icon from the kit. And again, I did my workout. On Thursday, I didn't work out because I was so tired. I swear to you, I was really tired that day. Because I did work out on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, even though I didn't mark it out. I was really tired on Thursday, so I didn't work out on Thursday, but I did work out on Friday. Saturday was the day that I went to the post office to drop all of the de-stashes. So I went to the post office and returned the messages to the buyers saying that I did that. And Saturday was awesome because if you look at the full box from Friday, it had nails on. The Saturday and Sunday one is like girls going out and having food and all of that, and that's what I did on Saturday. So I got my nails done, I bought myself some clothes, and the whole kit has like shopping and meeting with friends and food and self-care, and that's what I did pretty much. So Saturday I got my nails done, did some shopping for clothes that I needed for work. Even though I don't go to work, I still need clothes for when I go to work, if that makes sense. So I had the most delicious Korean barbecue with Isabel at Bell Plans and Diana, and I marked them with these emojis from the Coffee Monsters Co. because we had Korean barbecue, and that was my first time having Korean barbecue, and I have to say I love it. I'm so in love. So we had Korean barbecue with I'm marking down Korean barbecue with the squad. Thank you so much, Belle, for taking me to Korean barbecue. Thank you. I love you, and I want kimchi. And I marked down that we also got something called binsu. I hope I'm not butchering it, but it's like ice cream with shaved ice with all the goodness and sugar possible in the world, and it's a new true love. I really really love that. It's so good. And my night was incredible. So thank you so much for the girls for having me that night, and seeing them both really made me happy, and I'm really really happy that we had amazing food. On Sunday I slept in. I filmed this plan with me, and I also filmed another haul because I had my goodies from America. And finally I finished editing this plan with me that you are watching right now. I did my voiceover and I edited one of the hauls. Finally I called my mom, and then it was time to plan for my Monday, which I usually do on Sunday nights. And that was my best week ever so far. I think I can count on my one hand the great weeks this weekend, and certainly this one is at the top. Thank you, girls. And here is the spread completed, and I think it looks really nice. I should have used more full boxes or half boxes, but I didn't. But still, it looks really fitting for the amazing week that I had with my girls, especially the weekend with the squad. It was really, really good. I'm really happy we had the chance to meet up and, have that human connection again. So I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I hope you stay safe, stay sane, have a fantastic week ahead of you. And I love you, lottles. Bye!